Hello, welcome back to Python 2020. Today in this video we are going to discuss about something which is very important for Python programmers, for Python data scientists, or if you want to code for Python machine learning. As you already know that there are multiple code editors for Python. You can write Python code into PyCharm, you can write Python code into Jupyter Notebook, and you can write Python code into Ideal and Visual Studio also. But today in this video we are going to discuss about Google Colab. So Google Colab is a code editor which uses cloud-based Python compiler, which means that you don't have to install any Python compiler on your system. You just have to use Google Colab from a link. And once you have done the coding in Google Colab, you can easily share that code with your friends or with your colleagues like a Google Sheet. Okay. So this is the reason that you should be using Google Colab. And other than this, there are many other things which I will be telling you in the coming part of this video. Let's first of all understand how to get or how to download Google Colab to your Google account. So here I am right now on my Google Chrome and I have logged in using my ID here. So let's go to Google Drive now. And then you will see this new button here in Google Drive. And then you just come here in more and in inside more you might see Google Colab here also, but if you don't see here then you just have to connect more apps. When you will do this, connect more app, then you have to type co-laboratory. So you have to search this co-laboratory here and you will see this icon. You can maximize this window and then here also you can see. So you just click on co-laboratory and click on install. You have to you might have to complete this action. Google Colab is installed. All right. Right. So now we have Google Colabs added to our account. Now let's see how to use that. So you can directly search login Google Colab and then you can click on this link. It will take you to your Google Colab account. All right. So let me click this. If you can see the link so you can see the complete address on your screen right now. Let's go back, click on this link and you can watch more videos here and you can get more knowledge about Google Colabs from these links. So now I will go and I will add the new file and then we will see how to write Python code in Google Colabs. And in some time we will see how to add Python libraries into Google Colabs. Alright, so let's start now. File, you have to go first of all in file, add new notebook. And one more important thing which before I go ahead that you can use these files which will be created in Google Colabs into your Jupyter notebook also because both the files are ipython files. So if you want to use these files into your Jupyter notebook or you want to use your Jupyter notebook Python files into Colab, you can do that. So I have added a new file and this is the untitled document. You can click here and rename it. First, so now let's start and first of all let's create one variable. Do shift enter, same shortcut as in Jupyter notebook. Second name, shift enter. So you can see the variables also here. First name plus Let's do shift enter, and now you can print this name. Now again do shift enter. So this is how you can use Google Colabs to write Python codes. Now let's understand how to add Python libraries in Google Colab. So Python, how to write Python code is in front of you right now. Now let's see how to add library. Let's say I want to add pandas. I can just use this exclamatory sign. I can use this sign and then pip install pandas, which is the commonly used command to install Python libraries. So the installation is started. Okay, and the requirement is already satisfied. All right. Now, if you want to read a data frame in Google Colabs, so pandas data frame, let's import pandas as pd. Okay, enter. Data frame is equals to pd dot read. So before we use Excel file from our system, we have to add that Excel file into this session. So let me add that, and that will be the temporary addition. If you have to add that file permanently, then you have to upload that file into Google Drives. So as of now, let's just temporarily upload the file. I will upload this file from my system, sample superstore. It's uploading here, completed. You can see sample superstore here. I'll just copy the name. Do shift enter. Now let me check if the data frame is created or not. So I will just print first two lines, okay, and then shift enter. So you see the data from first two line is here. So now let's say if you want to share this Colab file with anyone, you can just click here on the share, and you will be getting the similar link as you get for your Google Sheets and Google Docs. You can add people here if you want, or you can just get the shareable link from here. All right, just copy the link, and here you can click done. So this is just the first video of Google Colabs Python programming, and I will be doing upcoming video also into Google Colabs only, so that you can easily understand that how to use Google Colabs perfectly. All right, so hope this video was useful for you, and I hope now at least you have the basic understanding how to use Google Colab for Python coding. Thank you very much for your time. Happy learnings.